So I have a question. In my case, if mercury is debilitated, so we should not wear a green color.
Mhm.
Is that way? You should not enhance green.
No, no, no. Basically, you are governed by Scorpio, na? Eighth.
No, sir, Mars.
Yeah,
No, sir,
Scorpio.
Mars.
Mars is fine. Who is the Lord of Scorpio?
Uh,
Scorpio 1 and 8 number is governed by whom? Mars.
mm,
You don't remember
Mars.
your horoscope? I remember your horoscope. Don't worry. I'm telling you.
Yes,
Okay. This is the hard fact. I am remembering your horoscope. I know each and like
I
situation of all
also.
the planets. That is why I am telling. Okay.
Yes, sir. It's
Who is the Lord of 1 and 8 number?
the-
Mercury. Oh, sorry, Mars.
Mars. Sir. 1 and 8 is Mars.
I know you are governed by Mars. That is why I am saying. So
Yeah.
in your case, if you will give strength to the Mercury, that will be a problematic situation.
Yes, sir. Because my Mercury and Sun is in 12th house. So you had told that since
No,
Sun has come, so it is good. Otherwise, Mercury being in 12th house is not good.
yes, that is not good. So in your case, you should do the treatments by giving donations. Just donate some spinach or green kind of products. All green plants you can simply give it to the street cows. That is always recommended in your case.